Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed repair guide for the Dyson HS05. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the common issues encountered with this hairdryer and provide step-by-step instructions on how to diagnose and potentially fix them. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a T15 Torx screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a soft brush for cleaning. Having a multimeter can also be helpful for electrical diagnostics. Ensure your workspace is clear and you have a flat surface to work on. Next, we will begin by unplugging the hairdryer. Safety is paramount, so always ensure the device is completely powered off. Once unplugged, inspect the exterior for any visible damage, such as cracks or broken parts. This initial assessment can save time in the repair process. Now, let's open the device. Using the T15 Torx screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the hairdryer. There are typically 4 screws to remove. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later for reassembly. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Once the screws are removed, carefully separate the 2 halves of the hairdryer casing. Be gentle, as there are internal components that can be easily damaged. Use your soft brush to clean out any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. A clean interior can significantly improve the performance and longevity of your device. After cleaning, examine the internal components for any signs of wear or damage. Check the power cord and the heating element for any visible defects. If you find any damaged wires, it's important to replace them. If you are unsure about how to proceed, our professional diagnosis without obligation can help identify the issue without any commitment on your part. If you suspect that the heating element is faulty, use your multimeter to test its continuity. A reading of 0 indicates a problem. In this case, you will need to replace the heating element. Make sure to order a genuine replacement part to ensure compatibility and safety. Reassemble the device by carefully placing the 2 halves back together, making sure all internal components are properly aligned. Replace the screws using your T15 Torx screwdriver, ensuring they are tightened securely but not over-tightened, as this could crack the casing. Before you power it back on, double-check that everything is correctly assembled. If you have any doubts about the repair process, remember we offer a quote before repair, allowing you to make an informed decision without any pressure. Finally, plug in the hairdryer and test it to ensure it operates correctly. If it does not work, there may be deeper issues that require professional attention. In such cases, consider our service that includes no calls and no travel, making it easy to get your device fixed without the hassle. This concludes our repair guide for the Dyson HS05. Proper maintenance and timely repairs can extend the life of your hairdryer and keep it functioning at its best. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.